Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon pancakes, full guide. Preheat a skillet to medium heat, cook bacon until crisp, and drain some fat into a bowl. Whisk pancake batter until smooth, fold in chopped bacon and spoon batter into the hot skillet. Cook each pancake until bubbles form and edges set, flip carefully, brown the other side, and serve warm with maple syrup and a smile. Gather your ingredients and set them up for a smooth cooking flow. Combine flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and sugar in one bowl, whisk eggs with milk in another, then stir wet into dry until just combined. Fold in chopped bacon gently so pancakes stay tender and speckled with bacon. Heat your skillet lightly with reserved bacon fat, then start cooking batter in even rounds until golden. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for the perfect cooking playlist and convenient timers. It's a fun kitchen companion. Look in the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, then grab a snack if you need one. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your rhythm while cooking so every pancake comes out consistent and delicious. Spoon batter into the hot skillet, leaving space between pancakes, and watch for bubbles to signal the right time to flip. Use a thin spatula to turn gently and finish until both sides are golden brown. Stack finished pancakes on a warm plate, cover loosely to retain heat, and repeat until all batter is used for a perfect breakfast stack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.